Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm here to show you how to delete multiple contacts from your iPhone device. Just keep in mind that you do need to be on a desktop and have access to your iCloud account. Assuming all of that is in order, all you do is log into your iCloud account, make your way to your contacts. By default, the first contact will be selected. Hold down the left control key and select the contacts that you would like to delete. So I have one highlighted here, and just go ahead and select the multiple there. Once you've done so, in the lower left hand corner, just go ahead and click on the settings icon. You'll see the delete option. Go ahead and click on that, and a prompt will appear asking you if you would like to delete the selected contacts. Go ahead and click on delete. Once you've done so, all of the contacts that you have highlighted will delete. Thanks for watching.